This the one that scared me. The only gun in my whole entire life ever had problems with. That is, I can't understand what happened. It almost took my life out right here.
What happened?
I shot an alligator and everything, and it killed the alligator. It almost killed me too. Firing pin hit the primer, went out. Firing pin came out the back door. If it wasn't meant for the hammer, look at the hammer bent.
Oh my God.
And that's a chunk of iron to bend the hammer.
I see that.
Yeah, and that was the gun that scared me the most in my entire. And it didn't have nothing in the barrel.
Are you sure you had the right bullet in there?
243. The bullet is still in there.
Wow.
And, you know, that was a life experience to say, well, the good Lord was with me once again.
Me and my dad and one of my brothers went deer hunting. My dad shot a buck, I shot and killed a buck. We killed 2 bucks. So we was dragging them out. We was in mud and water up to our knees, and I tripped, and I had my gun on my shoulder, my 30-06, and I tripped, and my barrel stuck in the mud. And Daddy told me, he said, clean that barrel. Let's take a break, clean it. I said, I'm gonna clean it tomorrow at home. I said, I ain't worried about that. So it was way after dark. It was 9 or 10 o'clock at night by the time we got them deer out the marsh. And the next day I forgot to clean my gun, okay? So we go to the camp 3 or 4 days later. My old buddy wants to shoot it. I said, yeah, you can shoot it. We sitting on the front porch of the camp drinking beer, and they had a little stump across the bayou about 100 yards. He said, I'm gonna shoot that stump. Yeah, shoot it. Dude, he shot that rifle, and it sounded like a cannon went off on the front porch of the camp. Boom, like my ears was ringing. All of a sudden, I heard him holler. It had split the barrel.
Right.
From the end of the barrel, it's all the way to the chamber. It was a synthetic stock. It split this stock like a banana, all the way to here, okay? And lucky, it had kind of burnt my old buddy's face, but he had glasses to protect his eyes. Oh my God, I said, I couldn't believe. And I was just lucky he didn't get hurt.
Right.
Lucky my buddy had glasses.
Right, yeah.
Lucky you had a hard head.
Yeah, yep.